Good day everyone, I am Risa May A. Rosales from BSBA 2 Marketing Management Section 2. In this video, I will show you on how to do some basic skills in badminton. But before that, let me tell you first what is badminton and what is the history of it. Badminton. It is an indoor or outdoor recreational activity that uses racket to hit the shuttlecock across the net. The objective of the game is to hit the shuttlecock or birdie back and forth. It can improve our physical, mental, and emotional self. For the history, in India, it is called as Una. In England, it is called as battledore and shuttlecock. It was named after the badminton house in Gloucestershire, England. And it is the only racket game that uses a bird. In this game, we need to have two equipment, the racket and the shuttlecock. So, let's start! Basic skills in badminton. First is gripping. For the forehand grip, put your right hand on the face of the racket and slide it down until you hit the grip. Close the three fingers and put your thumb finger above the middle finger. In that case, it will also help you to switch to backhand grip easily. Have your thumb finger farther away from the three fingers. Press your thumb on the widest surface and relax your index finger closer to the middle finger. The thumb is used to generate and control power. The backhand grip is like you're doing a thumbs up. The second is stance or ready position. Stance or ready position. You should always have to be ready with the help of ready stand with somewhat like wide stance, your feet a little more with shoulder width apart. Your weight should be lowered with your knees slightly bent so that you can easily move when necessary. Keep your eyes straight on the shuttle and hold tightly on the racket. The third is serving. Forehand serve. The first step is hold your racket with forehand grip. Second, hold shuttle with your non-racket arm in front of you. And the last, widen your legs as shown. Now, focus on shuttle and swing your racket and hit the shuttle below your waistline. Your aim should be make shuttle go as high as possible and should land in back gallery. Backhand serve. First, hold your racket with backhand grip. Second, hold shuttle with your non-racket arm in front of the racket. And the last is widen your legs as shown. Now, focus on hitting the shuttle below your waistline. And also, focus on the shuttle passes close enough from net. Try to use your wrist power in backhand serve. And the last is the bird hits. Net shot. Relax your body. Hit the shuttle as high as possible above our shoulder, and at impact, there is where we want to accelerate our racket as fast as possible. Smash. So, you're gonna start up in the airway up high you want to hit in right inside the net, and it's going to be super forceful. Getting ready, and when you hit, you're going to jump and going to use all your power and lean forward to hit that over the net. Your shot. Up your arm, and then when you hit it, you want to push the birdie up in the air before you follow through.